Let's go ahead and write up a solution for our puzzle. So first off, I want to read in all of the text in the text file. So I'm going to use an editor called Thonny to take a look at the text and then also to write up the code. Thonny is free to download. I use it in my Computer Science 1 courses. And so I highly recommend it. So here is the text file that's up on the page. This has the secret message hidden in it. And so it's called 2019_08_09 puzzle.txt. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open that. So I'm going to say with open, and then I put the file name 2019_08_09 puzzle.txt as file. And I missed a close quote. There we go. All right. I'm just going to pass. So I'm gonna run this often just to make sure I don't have any typos. So that worked. Okay, cool. All right. So now this file is a reference to this text. So to read all the lines in it in the file, I'm gonna say lines equals file.readLines, and then I'm just gonna print lines to see what happened. All right, so we can see we got a whole bunch of individual lines, it looks like. Cool. And so what I want to do is I want to put all of these lines together into one big old long text. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say for line in lines. You know what, I need another variable here. I'm going to say code equals an empty string. So for line in lines, code equals code plus line dot strip. Now what strip is going to do is it's going to get rid of the new line at the end. And so I'm just going to go ahead and print code now so we can make sure that looks like I want it to look. Okay, so now I can see, I don't believe you can see my pop-up here, but it's actually working. Cool. Okay, so that's good. So code now has the entire long thing, and so now I want to go through and get every 27 letters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say for I in range len of code. I'm going to go all the way to the end. If now again, let's hear every 27 letters, so it's like the one at 0, and then I skip 27 letters. So so I believe I should be able to get what I was saying. If I mod 27 is equal to 0, then we want, I'm just going to say print code I. I'll clean this up in a second. Let's just see if this works. All right. Doesn't seem to work because I don't see words popping out here. So what that tells me is, since I'm skipping 27, right, so thinking about going, if we go back to the thing here, right, so here's index 0. So if I skip 27, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. And then I get the next thing, then actually I want the 28 character. Okay, so let's try that. So I actually want to do 28. Okay, so there, okay, looks like I got something here. So I want this all in one line so I can read it. So I'm going to say end equals empty string. There are 10 types of people in this world, those who understand binary and those who don't. Okay, we got a message. Cool. And there's our solution. Now, let me tell you the thing I love about Python. Okay, so I just did this for loop right here. We could also have just said print code, and we want the whole thing from the beginning to the end, but we only want every 28 letters. Let me do another print here just to go to line. And so we actually have a one-line solution to this particular puzzle. Yay, Python. So this is, I'm going to put a comment here, loop solution. This is probably what we might think of as the traditional solution. And then we have one-liner. All right, so yeah, there's a little bit of Python for you. Hopefully you found this puzzle fun this month. Take a look at next month's puzzle.